Welcome guys, this is V Hotel Lavender and this hotel was our home for the last 7 days and I really love this hotel because it is at a very prime location. This hotel is sitting above a metro station and I will show you all the things that are nearby, and right now you can see this, the whole hotel has been decorated under Chinese New Year theme. So 15 days before and after should be avoided because it usually gets so busy over here and the prices of everything goes up. And where is the metro? So this is our hotel V Lavender, and let me show you where is the metro. The metro station is literally down of this hotel, so we just walk like 20-meter hardly over there. You see, that is the metro station. That's it. I took a great advantage of Hotel V Lavender's location to save a lot of money on transportation because Hotel V Lavender is sitting on top of Lavender Station and it is also opposite to Lavender Station bus exit. So you can easily use MRT and buses super conveniently. There is no need to ride any expensive taxi anywhere starting from your airport, and it is super easy to visit all key touristic locations in Singapore such as Merlin, Marina Bay Sands, Garden by the Bay, Universal Studio, Chinatown, Orchard Road. Arab Street is just 1 kilometer away and Little India and Mustafa Center is just 1.5 kilometers away. Assalamu alaikum guys, and I will show you my room, how it looks. Come. So I have booked a triple room for myself so kids can sleep over there comfortably. And this is a city view. Make sure whenever you're coming to Hotel V Lavender, you tell them that you want a city view because then you can get this amazing, beautiful city view. And for us over there, we can even see the sea and the ships over there. So it's really beautiful, and we got on 15th floor. And one more thing I really like about them, they have made a section where you can sit over here and drink tea or whatever. It's very chillax place. Standard room in V Lavender Hotel costs around 44 Bahraini dinar or 440 Saudi riyals, and a room with city view costs around 49 Bahraini dinar. I had taken a triple room with city view which costed me around 65 Bahraini dinar per night without breakfast. So the hotels and accommodation in Singapore is really expensive. Okay, so guys, now I will show you all the facilities that are near to this place. Come. So as soon as you come out of the hotel, right on your left, you will find the currency exchange, guys. And they give also very good rate, almost the internet rate which I check. It's almost the same which they have given me. And if you see just in front of you, just you cross this road, over there are like some international food chains like Burger King, Subway. They have even Toast Box, something which is local. And the best part is they have over here a food court as well, which is just maybe 10 meters away. So over here, we just walked maybe 5 or 10 meters away. All the food court is over here and even halal food is available over here. And this is how the food area looks. So this is some Singaporean restaurant where you get all local Singapore food, and most importantly, you get halal food. Then here is a Turkish kebab place. So if you want to have shawarmas. So guys, during our stay at V Hotel, usually I used to come to take food from here. Here it is like Singaporean type food they have. Things which I took was, I took fried rice from here, and they had even chicken like gravy style. So I took that. They give you like some big thigh. It was fine. The taste was like not something which I'm used to eating it. So I just ate once or twice. And after that, what I did, I came over here to try out the shawarma, and their shawarma is really good. For $10, Singapore $10, you get a big shawarma roll, which is enough for 2 people also. So I used to take shawarma from here. And then there are so many other restaurants where we used to go to take juices. And in front there is a food court as well, which has Korean food, Singaporean food, Malaysian food, so many different varieties. But again, it doesn't suit my taste, so I just ate here. The 2 restaurants which I showed you, that's from where I ate the food mostly. And there is a bus stop right in front. So even if you want to use bus stations, it is right, literally the one which is in front, that is the bus stop. And come, I'll show you the metro also. And right below, if you go down from there, that is the metro station. So that's the reason why I love this location. It is so close to everything. All you have to do just come to the metro. Even from airport to come here, it was very easy. Right now we are here at Changi Airport. We go to Expo. Here we get down, and then we take this green line all the way till Lavender. We just had to change one station and then just flip a train. And we flipped the train direct, we came out over here. And then just go like 10-20 meters walk, the hotel is there, currency exchange is there, food is there. So it's a really nice place. And if you will like to come and stay in this hotel, make sure you book the city view because the window glasses are too big over here and you'll get an amazing view of the whole city. Always see in the left and right, see, left, right. So guys, even in our hotel, we had this facility, swimming pool is there, but not even once we came and used it. So this is the gym over here. They have few treadmills, crossovers, and then you have one mix machine in which you can play bicep, tricep. So overall, it's a very nice place to stay. And especially if you're someone who wants to use only public transport, because we are here for last 7 days and not even once we used a taxi. It was completely metro, mostly metro, monorail, that's it. That is what we were using over here. Today is my day 3 here in Singapore, and as you know, in the first vlog itself, when we were flying from Bahrain to Singapore, I was really sick. But then I recovered, alhamdulillah, and I thought in Singapore I'll be all fine. But unfortunately, the moment I reached hotel, and it just felt so much sick. I got fever and my fever was going, coming back, going, coming back. And I just could not walk at all. You know, I did not have any strength. I was feeling of vomiting, nausea. I was just praying that, you know, inshallah, I'll recover soon because I had an itinerary of 7 days to explore Singapore. But unfortunately, so many things I have to cut down from my itinerary. Now also you can understand from my voice that things are not so well, but inshallah I'm trying my 100% because my kids are super excited and I just don't want to dishearten them. We have come so much far, and inshallah I will start. So that's why I will try to keep the vlogs more informative, quickly give information and tell you everything about the places, the hotels I stay, and most importantly how to reach that locations using metro or public transport. So inshallah today we are going to go zoo, and we just have 4 hours left because today also it is now, the time now is 12:40 and I got very late. Guys, the kids are also super excited for the zoo, so we will quickly leave. So are you excited? Yes! Yes! Are you excited? Yes! Let's go.